Help set the table for meals. Help set the table for meals. Put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Help water the plants. Help water the plants. Feed the pets on time. Feed the pets on time. Sweep the floor if you make a mess. Sweep the floor if you make a mess. Take your plate to the sink after eating. Take your plate to the sink after eating. Help me fold the laundry. Help me fold the laundry. Organize your toys before bedtime. Organize your toys before bedtime. Wet the table after meals. Wet the table after meals. Put your shoes neatly by the door. Put your shoes neatly by the door. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. Say "excuse me" if you need someone's attention. Say "excuse me" if you need someone's attention. Wait for your turn to speak. Wait for your turn to speak. Don't point at people. It's rude. Don't point at people. It's rude. Say "I'm sorry" if you hurt someone. Say "I'm sorry" if you hurt someone. Hold the door open for others. Hold the door open for others. Knock before entering a room. Knock before entering a room. Listen when someone is talking to you. Listen when someone is talking to you. Stand up when greeting elders. Stand up when greeting elders. Be grateful for what you have. Be grateful for what you have. Try new things, even if they're scary. Try new things, even if they're scary. Never give up, keep trying. Never give up, keep trying. Ask for help if you need it. Ask for help if you need it. Always do your best. Always do your best. Be patient. It's okay to wait. Be patient. It's okay to wait. Keep practicing to get better. Keep practicing to get better. Learn something new every day. Learn something new every day. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Be proud of your efforts. Be proud of your efforts. Help your siblings if they need it. Help your siblings if they need it. Tell your family you love them. Tell your family you love them. Respect your grandparents. Respect your grandparents. Say thank you when someone helps you. Say thank you when someone helps you. Call your friends if you miss them. Call your friends if you miss them. Write a thank you note for gifts. Write a thank you note for gifts. Share what you've learned with others. Share what you've learned with others. Celebrate others' achievements. Celebrate others' achievements. Always be there for your friends. Always be there for your friends. Apologize if you hurt a friend. Apologize if you hurt a friend. Take breaks when you're tired. Take breaks when you're tired. Spend time outdoors every day. Spend time outdoors every day. Don't watch TV for too long. Don't watch TV for too long. Play fair with others. Play fair with others. Laugh often, it's good for you. Laugh often, it's good for you. Dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching. Spend time doing what you love. Spend time doing what you love. Always ask if you can try new activities. Always ask if you can try new activities. Cherish every moment. Cherish every moment. Remember to smile, it makes everything better. Remember to smile, it makes everything better.